Alright, we're playing Roomba pool. Which one do you think is gonna go in last? Start it.
Is it too far away from the dock?
There.
You might have to make a 10-minute video, Jet.
Yeah.
Get all them other ones. Go.
Gonna hit one.
Yes, right on over. Yes.
Yes, you're very steady.
There.
You gotta give it enough room for balls to go in 4 pockets, how about?
Yep. Come on. This thing is kind of stupid.
Well, I think we can take a nap right now.
Yeah, just put it like down.
We just could go 32 or I don't know. Oh, here we go.
There.
Yeah, Mabel.
That didn't go that
Her
far.
name's Mabel, yeah. Yeah, see, she's programmed to stay away from objects.
Dad, we pushed till tonight. No?
No.
It's probably not, no. It's gonna just go back and forth on that same side.
See, my stupid one that I have at home that doesn't care about objects,
Oh.
so just plows over it.
Yeah, it's just gonna keep going back and forth around this U-shape.
Yeah. There.
Oh, there you go.
No.
Get it, Mabel.
Alright, we got 10, 15, and 2.
Knox is out.
Yeah!
Get 'em. So 10, 15, and 2 are out. Oh, Robbie's already.
Travis is out.
No, I think it's gonna take that.
It's gonna take a while.
Soon that will be good.
I don't care about this anymore.
Why? Because your number's knocked out?
Yeah. Just go right through the middle.
She's not twisted at objects.
There.
Oh, there you go.
Yes.
No.
Oh no,
Wow.
she's about to
Turn
knock
that
me.
way. Yeah.
She's about to knock me out. Oh.
Yeah, I think it's a full-blown night cooking game. Probably. It's pretty sensitive. The ours isn't.
Ours will just hit it, turn the opposite way, and go.
Ours would try and drive through that stick and sit there and hold it.
Turn and go that way. All the way down.
Right here.
No.
Don't hit the lever.
No.
Yes.
No.
Man, she's gonna knock
Stand
a bunch
out.
out there.
Jet's out.
I win!
I
I win!
I'm out.
I
What
win.
numbers?
One, Pam's out.
No.
8, 1,
Nobody wins until we see what one.
I'm
ball
out,
is
Travis.
left.
Flat.
8, 1, 8, 1,
And that could be an hour from now. And it might be nobody's ball and we have to start over. Who's 7?
I'm 11.
I think the number 3 is gonna win. Who's got it? Number 3.
No, I had mine right here too.
I think this one's gonna win because she'll hit some here, she'll hit some there.
I don't think she's hit right here at all.
Nope, that one's kind of protected by the others.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
mine was like
Away.
that.
No.
It's probably gonna record it's cleaned the whole thing and shut off.
Probably. Now she's got a cycle going. Real balls.
There you go.
At least it's cleaning the top.
She does have a rhythm going now. See what
Oh.
happens here.
Oh.
Yeah, that 3's still protected.
That's the 6.
Oh.
There.
6 is low.
6 is
Who was 5th?
No one.
14 and 7, I think, are going to be next.
yeah.
11.
Maybe 11, 13, but
I'm
I don't know. My second choice here is number 3.
The home
I know
button
I
is
don't
blinking
spend
on
any
it.
money on it, but
It's trying to find the home.
yeah, she's trying to go home. Mabel, go home.
I guess the people that are left will just do a game of pool and win.
No.
No.
Battery dead.
She's done.
Darn.
Okay, well, oh no, it's just we didn't.
I think she's saying it's clean.
I mean, she's out, probably out of battery.
Nope.
Yep, it says 0 right
Oh,
here.
late, keep, don't touch. She's like, this game is stupid.
Just hit that in and then.
Who called that?
Yeah, I'll
Taylor,
bring my
Brett, Jared.
I'll bring my special ed back, you know.
No, we threw it away.
No, it's out in the toy shed. That thing don't
I
fit.
think she's basically just like, this is dumb, I'm done.
Yeah, ours got stuck under our bed for 3 hours one time and just kept driving around.
No.
Ours though,
Oh.
so our rugs out there, there's
That
black
way.
stripes
That
across them, like black swooshes.
Other way.
It looks like a clip, so it will go past this. So it'll only go so far on the rug and then it stops at the black swooshes.
Other way.
What else could you buy that would do something?
A straw.
That
That's
way.
what ours is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There, go. Go.
Go, please.
Go. Go.
Yes. Yes.
Go, 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 go.
It's like 7 and 12.
Go.
Hey,
Go. Go.
Go.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm on the edge.
Oh my gosh.
Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
For
I
8
don't know if you can
minutes.
make hour-long TikToks yet.
You make a 10-minute one.
It's at 9 minutes now.
I'm ready to play.
Wait. I have a feeling of
I feel like we should make it a little smaller. Jared.
No.
Not until it shuts off again.
Well, go.
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 Stay out. Wait, who's going left?
Wait.
3,
11,
Watch your fingers.
7.
So what's left is 9, 12, 13.
3 and 5.
9 and 12 are the only ones who have bed.
Jared and Taylor. The rest of it's hot.
Oh, and we're side by side.
Wait, who's What are you, Jared?
9.
And Taylor's
12.
Go. But we'll have to
What's 14? 14?
14.
No.
No one.
go on.
I think 5's gonna win.
Yeah, 5's gonna win. Unless it comes up to that.
Yeah.
But I got it. Right here.
Turn.
Go.
Yeah.
Go.
No.
Wrong side.
Stupid, man.
Other side. Right here.
Go.
Go. Go.
There it is.
Right there. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Taylor, you're the closest to being out. Yes, Tom.
Yeah, 9's the closest.
Yeah, Taylor, 9. No?
9 is my dad.
Oh.
Yeah.
You right there, isn't it?
Not to hold it. I'll watch it.
I can.
Go.
Go.
No, it's so full.
Those balls right there are blocking it from coming through here.
Alright, see,
No.
I think the next one we line them all up in a straight line.
I don't think I want to do another one.
Yeah, let's just.
I can't believe you guys are born this. Maybe that means we're old. We're watching something clean and we like it.
It's funny.
What's going to be clean?
Well, on this side.
Well, next time.
No.
And then make it through the shore.
Oh my gosh.
You already lost the chip, pal.
No, I didn't put that.
You said you would. You backed out.
I'm not gonna let him. Well, I would have lost $40.
Why did you go the other way?
I was like making his right through here.
No.
It goes.
Yes.
Come on. Come on.
No, it's at 13.
There.
Let's move him out of the way now.
I mean, you went right here.
It's getting ready to shut off, isn't it?
Yeah, the home button's blinking.
All right, pick it up and move it down. We're gonna move these. We're gonna move it down to right here. These white lines. Back.
Yes.
Come on.
46.
Come on. Come on.
You're in.
Look, which one went in first?
It doesn't matter because there's still balls remaining, so clock's still
Rolling in.
9 and 12. So everybody's out.
Yeah, that's spot. It just stays here.
All right, let's line them up this way.